Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been a long time since I have uploaded any content, and for that I apologise. And I suppose what with the lockdown and not being able to do a tremendous amount, this really is the first time that I've managed to get out. So today is all about just to have a look around a car and give you an idea of some of the bits and pieces that I've done to it. So here we have my 2005 Carrera S. It's a 3.8 and it's the 997.1. You can see that at the front I've fitted a splitter to it, which I think really enhances the front of the car nicely. I've also added some grills at the front. They, I think, also make the car look good, but they have a more practical purpose as well by stopping the stones going through and possibly damaging the coolers behind there. Also on this I've updated the headlamps so that they've got a tint around the outside, but apart from that, not really done a tremendous amount else to the car. As I'm walking around, I'm thinking of things that have been done. I've also fitted some spacers to the wheels. On the fronts we've got 7mm, and on the back I believe we've got 12mm. But what they do is they just allow the wheels to come out into the arches a little bit more, and again I just think it just adds a little bit to the styling of it. This one's finished in the black metallic, which is very much in need of some detailing. There's lots of swirl marks on the car. That really is a job that I'm looking to get done fairly soon. Also, I've noticed that the brake calipers have dulled off a little bit. So again, that's going to be a job that I'm going to be looking to get done as well. I'm just going around to the back. Now for me, I don't like a tremendous amount of chrome, so I've had the exhaust pipes sort of matte blacked together with the Carrera S logo. However, the S on my Carrera S is broken, and I'm looking to get a new S, or I may just get rid of the Carrera S completely and put a black 911 on there. Not too sure. I haven't quite made my mind up what I'm going to be doing with that yet. The alloy wheels are standard. The extras from new with this car were the sports chrono pack. Let's just go over and have a look at the inside. So you've got the sports chrono pack. It's also got the sports seats, which have got so many buttons that it'd be very difficult not to get yourself nice and comfortable in here. It's also got sat nav, which, to be honest with you, is very dated, and I don't use that at all. And it's also got the Bose sound system fitted as well. Okay, this car also has the extended leather across the dash. And there's also the windbreak there, which I've got to be honest is absolutely fantastic. It really makes such a difference when you've got that. So I'm just going to open up the back. So Under here we have the 3.8 engine developing 350 brake horsepower. Very, very smooth, plenty of power. Nothing's been done to this engine, no modifications at all, and it really runs well. Very pleased. I've recently done an oil change on the car. Got to be one of the easiest cars to do an oil change on. Everything is where it needs to be. No problems getting to the oil filter, no problems getting to a sump plug. Very, very easy DIY job to do on the car. And there's another look inside. And that's pretty much it as far as a walk around is concerned. I'm going to be uploading a number of videos this year. A couple of things which I am looking to get done is I'm going to be fitting a new suspension system to it. I want it lowered a little bit, not a tremendous amount. Don't want it looking too stupid, but I think it would benefit from at least a 10mm drop. And I'm also looking at having the exhaust pipe modified in some way just to increase the sound a bit more. Haven't decided exactly what I'm going to be fitting to it, but yeah, definitely want to get something done a little bit later on this year. So that's it, guys. Just a quick video just to show you the car. I haven't done a walk around on this car at all, just uploaded a few videos on various jobs that I've had done. So if you're interested in the roof renovation, I'll put a link for that. I've also done a video on servicing the car, and some of you will probably know about the flooding issues I had with it because of the drain holes becoming blocked. So if you have got one of these cars, it really is important to get those cleaned. Otherwise you're going to be into a new module which is underneath the passenger seat, which got flooded, caused me all sorts of issues. So still haven't had that replaced yet, but again, it is something that I'm going to be getting done this year. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please remember to like and subscribe. There will be plenty more coming a little bit later on this year. So again, thanks for watching. Take care.